In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a unique URL for your email in Gmail. Creating a personalized URL for your Gmail can be especially useful for many reasons, such as finding your messages easily or organizing your email more efficiently. It's a handy tool that could make your email management a breeze. Now, let's get into the process. The first step we'll take is to search for the instructions directly on Google. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, simply type in how to create a unique URL for your email in Gmail and hit enter. This search query is designed to provide you with a broad set of resources, guides, and forum discussions on the topic. Typically, you'll find a range of different articles and instructions that could be helpful, but you're aiming for comprehensive and clear guidance. If an official Google support article is present, that would usually be the most reliable, but community forums and instructional videos can also be valuable if you prefer in-depth explanations or a visual guide. Once you've identified a promising lead, click on the link to open the resource. Take some time to read through the instructions carefully. It's important to understand not just the steps, but also the reasons behind each step. This foundational understanding can further empower you to adapt these instructions to your needs. As you explore the instructions, make notes if necessary. This could be on a digital notepad or the classic pen and paper if that's more your style. Jotting down points can streamline the process when you start applying the steps. While some tutorials might offer slight variations depending on updates or different Gmail versions, the core idea is to understand the mechanism behind creating that unique URL. Once you're ready, you can begin implementing the steps in your own Gmail account. Open Gmail in another tab or window and follow the instructions you've gathered. Make sure to carefully input any characters or codes as required. Specificity is key, since even a small error in a URL can lead you to different results than intended. Remember, through the process, if you encounter any issues, most resources will have troubleshooting tips or FAQs that address common problems. Don't hesitate to return to your search if you find yourself needing alternative perspectives or solutions. In summary, creating a unique URL for your Gmail is all about leveraging the resources available to tailor your email management to your own preferences. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your digital communication and organization strategy. With some patience and exploration, you'll master this task and enjoy a more streamlined email experience.